Vijisha Foundation would like to thank you all for your generous support in our previous campaign during Diwali season, Let's Light Up a Smile, and would request you all to please join us in our winter campaign, Donate a Sweater and Share the Warmth. As we all know that our planet Earth is a beautiful planet, and we humans are fortunate to get a chance to live on this wonderfully equipped planet. The sunlight divides the earth in two parts, day and night, while we humans divide the society in two parts, the rich and the poor. Some people have so much food to eat that they waste their food and throw it in dustbins, while the other struggle for one meal a day and pick up food from dustbins and satisfy their hunger. Some people have so many clothes that they can't even decide which one to wear, while the others don't even have clothes to keep themselves warm in winter season. Let us join our hands and help them. This winter, let us donate warm clothes to the poor and the needy. Please join us in our upcoming campaign, Donate a Sweater and Share the Warmth. All you need to do is to donate a sweater and you'll be protecting underprivileged children from the harsh cold weather. I very well know that the next question which strikes your mind is, how can we do it? There are 3 simple ways you can connect with us and be a part of this campaign. First of all, I would like to ask you a question. Do you have warm clothes that don't fit you anymore, or those that you have just stopped wearing? If yes, then save someone's life by donating them. Get in touch with us. We accept old winter clothes and blankets in good, usable condition. You can either drop them in our collection center or we can arrange a pickup from your residence during weekends. Secondly, if you wish to donate new warm clothes, then you can buy some new sweaters and gift them this winter. Thirdly, if you wish to donate new warm winter clothes but you do not have time to buy them, then you can transfer your donations directly to the mentioned bank account and we'll buy the sweaters on your behalf and distribute them. The cost of one sweater is Rs 150 and you can donate as many as you wish. And remember, even one sweater can make a difference to someone's life. The warm clothes donated by you will be distributed to the poor and the needy people who live in slums, under the flyovers, on the roads and various other locations in West and North Delhi. We would really appreciate if you could join us in the distribution process also. We can intimate you the dates when the distribution will take place so that you can come and give the sweaters directly to the people who actually need it and see the smile on their faces. As we all know, giving is not just about making a donation, it's about making a difference in someone's life.